I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next. Now search for Action SendGrid. Give a name. For API key, please click on SendGrid API token. Click on Create API token. Give a name. Now click on Create and View. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to SendGrid dashboard and click on Marketing. Then click on Contacts. Click on All Contacts. You can see record is created in SendGrid. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.